There he is, Buford.
Where?
There, dancing with that piece of calico. What are you gonna do, boss?
Figure. If I bury this muzzle deep enough in his back, nobody will hear the shot.
Careful, Buford. You ain't got but one bullet with that.
I only need one. I told you to watch your back, Smithy.
Lieutenant, but you're early.
It's a Derringer, Smithy. Small but effective. Last time I used it, fella took 2 whole days to die. Bled to death inside. It was real painful. That means you'll be dead by about supper time Monday.
Excuse me, I don't know who you think you are, but we're dancing.
Lucky what we have here. Ain't you gonna introduce me to the lady? I'd like a dance.
I wouldn't give you that pleasure. You'll just have to go ahead and shoot.
All right.
No, Emmett, I'll dance with him, Emmett. I'll
Boys,
dance
keep the
with him.
blacksmith company while I get acquainted with the Billy! You! Ha-ha! Yeah! Oh.
I don't dance very well when my partner has a gun in his hand.
Oh, you learn. You learn. You know, Smithy, maybe I'll just take my $80 worth out of her. Whoa! Yeah. I bet there's something you can do that's worth $80.
I believe you've underestimated me, mister.
What have I now? Ah! Oh!
Oh!
Stop it! Damn you, Tannen!
No. I damn you. I damn you to hell! You.
Hey, lighten up, jerk!
Mighty strong words, Runt. You man enough to back him up with more than just a pie plate?